more quickly. You get crosses into the box and you can turn this around.
Defending for his team to do here though from the throw-in. Retic back to Richie. Set up the opportunity for Atsu.
Benitez will be very pleased. Classic away performance in this first half. Sit behind the ball, frustrate the opposition. Incisive when you go